During the various pandemic lockdowns, Dublin city centre streets were near empty, and despite the fact that it has now been years since, footfall has not fully recovered in the capital. In fact, numbers were down 15% in the first week of February compared to last year, according to a report for the business organisation DublinTown. The numbers are down over 36% compared to 2019, the year before the pandemic. O'Connell Street is particularly affected, with the footfall count outside both Clery's and Eason stores showing dramatic declines. Around 136,990 people were recorded passing Eason's in the first week of February, which is down 21% year on year. In the last week of January, the figure was 120,916, which was down over 31% on the same week last year and over 56% on the same week in 2019. The total number of visitors to Dublin city centre this year stood at 9.7 million on February 8th, which was almost 7% down on the same time last year. The biggest decline in the first week of February was on South William Street, which was down 54% on the same week last year and by 63% on the same week in 2019. The slump is most noticeable on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Fridays. It is thought that this decline is a result of increased popularity of online shopping, work from home being a particularly popular option at the start and the end of the week, and recent periods of very bad weather. You can read the full story in the Irish Independent and on independent.ie.